Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the biggest news surrounding Theta token. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis to see its future steps. So if you guys take any value from this video or are looking for up-to-date crypto news, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button or comment down below as it really helps the algorithm. If you are a big fan of Theta or TFuel, let's see if we can get this video over 400 likes. With that, let's jump straight into the video. Before we jump into the latest updates surrounding Theta token, let's take a quick look at how the market is currently performing. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently at $38,000. We did pump to the levels of $42,000, but we have retraced back. We will be going back and forth up until we break that $43,000 level, so we could always see another retest of the $32,000 level. But until then, we will be seeing sideways motion. I am very confident at this point that the crypto market is going to break out at some point. As we've been tested over the past couple months, it is all about patience. Patience is very key to making it in this crypto space, and if you've made it this far and you are still holding, congratulations, because you have made it through the hardest part. With that, in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the biggest news surrounding Theta token, so let's jump straight into the first article. So we have some very big news for all Theta holders. As you can see here, it says $500 million asset manager joins Theta Network as enterprise validator. The venture fund became the 9th enterprise validator to join the Theta Network. And it says down here, Theta Labs, developer of the leading video delivery network powered by a native blockchain, today announced that venture capital DHVC has joined as the 9th external enterprise validator and governance council member. DHVC joins alongside others like Google, Samsung, Sony, CAA, Binance, Blockchain Ventures, Gummy, and a group of private equity institutional investors, including Sierra Ventures, Venture Reality Fund, and GRF Fund. The firm, based in California, manages over $500 million across companies in the artificial intelligence, crypto, and biotech sectors. DHVC has been a long-time supporter of Theta Labs. It led the Series A equity round of financing and participated in its private token sale in 2017. Theta Network's Governance Council. Theta Network is quickly advancing towards full decentralization of its security and governance. DHVC becomes the newest addition to the Enterprise Validator program by running a validator node, and joins the Governance Council in the strategic planning, ensuring the stability, reliability, and security of the network. Other program members include global industry leaders in the media and entertainment, technology, gaming industries, as well as pioneers in the fintech and blockchain space. We're thrilled to expand our support for Theta as an enterprise validator and governance council member, taking a direct role in securing its blockchain, said the managing director at DHVC. He added, Theta has made massive progress since we led the Series A equity round in 2017, and we expect another 100x growth as the protocol transforms the media and entertainment industry through blockchain and decentralized technologies. Now that is a very, very big statement. As he said, we expect another 100x. Now in my opinion, it is more than possible with Theta token because the potential is absolutely unbelievable, but that is a very bold statement from that company. So moving on, it says down here, all for decentralization. Expanding the Enterprise Validator Council is part of a long-term strategy of decentralizing the protocol, with numerous stakeholders supporting its mission and all taking an active role in the operation of the blockchain. Code-led and maintainer, Theta Labs is staking less than a third of all native tokens, both major milestones to decentralization and governance of the Theta blockchain. DHVC was one of the very first investors to see huge potential for decentralizing video and media. It's been a pleasure to work closely with Ali and the entire team over the past 7 years. We wouldn't be here without their support, said Mitchell Liu, co-founder and CEO of Theta Labs. He added, DHVC will continue to be a key strategic partner as we build our core blockchain technology and expand our reach to other institutional and private equity funds. So overall, this is some really big news for Theta token, as they are starting to partner with some of the biggest names in the world. They are getting a very impressive resume, so when they start to attract more and more of the biggest names, then it just shows that they are here to stay. Theta token and TFuel have unbelievable amount of potential, and they have showed that for a very long time. They have been standout performers in 2021, and I don't think that it is coming to a short end. There's still so much to look forward to in this crypto space, and I know cryptos like Theta token are just getting started. But I want to know down below, what year did you first buy Theta token? Now this is the last article that I want to show you before we take a look at price analysis, and this article says, as other cryptos drop, Theta holds steady. Over the past few days, several of the major crypto coins have seen a sharp decline. Bitcoin had increased 14% last week, finally recovering from the last month's sell-off. It's been dropping day to day since then, but Theta hasn't seen that kind of alarming downward trend. Over the past 5 days, Theta has dropped only 1.8%. Compare that to Bitcoin's 3.8% change for today alone, or Ethereum's 4.5%. Bitcoin Cash fell 3.9% for the day so far, while Litecoin dropped 4.8%. Since this morning, Theta has only dropped 2.8%, but isn't staying in a decline like most of the competitors. It has gone up and down throughout the week, while top cryptos have continued to fall. We will see if it breaks out with the other cryptos when they start acting bullish, as it has for most of the year. Looking ahead with Theta, cryptos that fall just outside the broader market like Theta do tend to see a little boost when the major cryptos improved. Theta is ranked number 17 on the crypto market right now and is often directly influenced by the action of the top few cryptocurrencies. However, recent weeks have shown that it is not as volatile as some of the others, making it a good initial investment for first-time crypto buyers who want to minimise their risk. Over the last couple of days, it rose 21% and it continues to build momentum for the month, proving its stellar overall performance for the year to date is no fluke. And if I show you on the official Theta Network website, as you can see, we have a countdown of 13 days and 15 hours left until mainnet 3.0. Now this has had a lot of hype around it and is going to be a very, very big deal for Theta token holders. If we scroll down a little bit, as you can see here are the people that are running their own validator nodes. It's Google, Sony, Samsung, CAA, Binance, Blockchain, Gummy and Private Equity Institutional Group. If we go down a little bit more, as you can see, they end up having a lot of information that I would highly recommend you guys check out. And if we scroll down to this part here, Theta investors, as you can see, there is some very, very big names that you can show off. DHVC, CAA, Samsung, ZMT Capital, BDIM and some other very, very big names. So Theta token over the past year has proven itself as to why it is a game changer technology. To finish off today's video, we're now going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis, and I'll show you this chart here. As you can see, Theta token ended up topping at the levels of $15.80, and since then we have been in a downward direction, but majority of the market has also followed. Now that we are in this short little period, as you can see, we have been mainly doing a consolidation phase, but as you can see, we have shown a nice pump. Bitcoin does need to break that level of $43,000 for Theta token to unleash its true potential. If Bitcoin does fall back down to the levels of $30,000 or at least test it, then it is very possible that Theta token could test that $7.20 mark again. But as I always say on this channel, zoom out, and if you are in crypto for the long term, these are nothing but very good buying opportunities. When we see crypto start to take over in the next few years, where if you have been in crypto for a few years already, you would have already seen the change that it has already made to the world. So the fact that it is coming at this fast of a pace, and we are seeing some of the biggest names in the world coming into this crypto space very, very quickly, it just goes to show the direction that we are headed in. Over the next couple weeks, building up to the mainnet 3.0 launch, here's the directions that I am expecting Theta to take. We can rather go in this direction where we simply have a nice sideways action and we pump nicely up to above the $12 mark, or it's a simple case of Bitcoin taking a downward trend to the 32 level again, and we simply enough test that $7.20 range again. It will go one or two ways, but because the mainnet is having a lot of hype around it at the minute, and if we zoom out and take a look at the build up to the mainnet before, even though we are not seeing the exact same amount of growth, we did see some incredible gains in such a short period of time. I think it was something around 4 to 6x in the space of 2 months. Now that is incredible to see for all cryptocurrency holders, because that is when cryptocurrency really shows its true potential. And for crypto to show that its true potential, Bitcoin needs to be in a bullish motion. We are so close to getting there already, and we just need to break that 43k level, but we could always retrace back to that 32k level before breaking that 43 and 45k level. But overall, I am very, very bullish for this crypto space. The future, the potential, the technology, all of it is very, very exciting. And as I always say in my videos, guys, compare it to what we have today. If you compare it to the financial system, if you compare it to YouTube and Twitch, if you compare a lot of these cryptocurrencies to what we have today, there is only one winner, my friend. But as I always say guys, be greedy when others are fearful, stay patient, and you will be a winner in this space. Now ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you did take any value from this video and you would like to learn more, we have the Crypto Knows Patreon where we have one-to-one calls where we can go over anything crypto related. If you would like a portfolio review, your future steps, or simply learning the basics about crypto. We also have the Gold membership where if you are looking for an incredible Discord community, we will help you to the best of our ability on your crypto journey. We're also trying to hit 10,000 followers on our Twitter account, so if you guys do have Twitter, it would really mean a lot to me if you could drop me a follow, as we are trying to hit a very big target at the end of the year. So if you guys did take any value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, or comment down below, as it really helps the algorithm. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes, thank you for watching, hopefully I'll see you in my next video, peace.